So, can you actually make real money with AI? Let's break down exactly how it's done. Yeah, this is the big question, isn't it? And the answer is a simple, straightforward yes. First things first, AI is not your replacement. Think of it more like a really powerful creative assistant. So there are really two main paths you can take here, mass production or high-quality craftsmanship. Let's dig in. All right, let's start with path one. This is the mass production method. It's a numbers game, really. So here's the playbook. You use AI tools to chop up long videos into dozens of shorts. But here's the trick to pass YouTube's originality check. Combine those shorts or swap in stock videos. Okay, now for path two, the crafted quality method. This one is all about strategy, not speed. With this playbook, you're in the driver's seat. You guide the AI to improve on what's already popular. And this really gets to the heart of it. It's not about the original idea, but the better execution. So, at the end of the day, the AI is just a tool. Your strategy is the real secret sauce here. All right, so what are the common mistakes? Let's bust some myths so you can avoid the pitfalls. Yeah, forget the magic button idea. AI needs skill, and YouTube's algorithm needs time and respect. And speaking of metrics, here's a big one. 80%. That's the target swipe-through rate for your shorts. This all boils down to the right mindset. Be patient, build a real brand, and let the algorithm do its thing. Okay, so what if you have like zero budget? Good news, you can absolutely get started for free. Just use free tools like Canva for branding and ChatGPT for ideas. Find your spin and be consistent. So looking to the future, it's really not about the tools. It's all about your strategy. So you've got two paths. The question is, which one fits you, mass production or crafted quality? And if you want to keep learning about this stuff, definitely check out the RS Electrotech channel on YouTube.